Hey guys, Chef Ange here, and I'm going to teach you how to make the easiest rice paper rolls in the world. I'll show you all my ingredients. Now I've got grated cucumber, I've got grated julienne carrot, I've got some cooked vermicelli noodles, I've got some bean sprouts, I've got some coriander, I've got my cooked already tofu just straight from the packet cut up, and I've got my dipping sauce, I've got hoisin sauce and some sweet chilli. Now first of all we'll make the dipping sauce. I'll place that on my platter over here, just 1 teaspoon of hoisin sauce and 1 teaspoon of sweet chilli. So you can mix it to however you like. And then we're going to make the rice paper rolls. I've got the bamboo tree rice paper rolls. Always make sure you buy your rice paper rolls from Vietnam. Make sure they're from a company in Vietnam. They always make the best rice paper rolls. And you just want to grab one out of the packet. Now I don't usually dip the rice paper in the water because they become really too wet and they don't really have that kind of crunch and bite to it. So I get a tea towel, dip it in some water, and then you want to wipe the top of the rice paper. Can you guys see that there? So it goes translucent. Then you want to wipe the other side, the side that's not flat. So I'll just show you that again. So this side has the pattern on it, and then you turn it over and the other side is flat. See that? So we're just going to wipe it again. We'll wipe the other side, wipe this side. You can dip it in the water. Now this tea towel is quite wet as well already. Pop it to one side and then you can see it's becoming more and more pliable. So you're going to go on the angle. You're going to put all your ingredients inside. I like to start with the bits you're going to see on the outside. So you're going to see some coriander, you're going to see some bean sprouts there. Put our noodles in the middle. The key is not to put so much inside that you can't roll it. We're going to put some carrot, we'll put some julienne cucumber, a couple of bits of your tofu. You want to wrap the outside so you can feel that it's become more and more pliable. Wrap the inside. And wrap it around the outside, and when you pull this you want to be pulling that in quite tight. So see that? You want to be pulling it in, and as you roll you want to be rolling the edges in as well. There you have it, number 1. So you can feel that it's not really soft or really floppy, it's quite to the bite. Let's go again. Grab one of these out of your packet. You want to be rolling, adding the water. Make sure this is cold water as well, guys. Wiping it over the top. Do it again, one side, and then the other side. You can feel that that's becoming quite pliable, quite straight away. Then on the outside, you want to see whatever you're going to see on the outside first. You're going to add your vermicelli noodles. I just cooked those on the stove for a couple of minutes and then put them in the colander and sat them there till they were dry. Wipe your fingers, then rolling it. Insides, then you're pulling this back. Pull that back, see? And then you roll it up. Voila! And there you have it, my tofu easy rice paper rolls.